What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at the OBSBOT Tail Air, and it's designed to live streaming and record anywhere you want. It's all portable as well, so you don't have to plug it on any computer whatsoever. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you want to get one of these, link is down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. So here we go. Basically, with its incredible compatibility and support features, you can connect it with your phone, your Android device, and iOS as well. It seamlessly collaborates with a wide range of mainstream broadcasting devices, making it easier than ever for users to achieve multi-camera live streaming. Now, OBSBOT Tail Air can bring you the next level video streaming experience with 4K resolution. It has AI auto tracking. It also has NDI support with multiple connection methods, with AI director grids and exclusive mobile application. And most of you who are power users, live streaming all the time, and you want it portable, you'll be able to have more features as well. Whether it's content creation, maybe even live show, in Twitch, interviews, house worship, for church, multicam setup, the Tail Air will help you a lot on easily creating a professional, high-quality, multi-angle stream wherever you go. Now, the best thing about the OBSBOT Tail Air is that it has the high-end video quality. It has 4K resolution up to 30 frames per second, and if you want 60 frames per second, you can use it with 1080p. It also has HDR and AI enhancement. When you shoot with OBSBOT Tail Air, your video image could be dramatically vivid and true to life. The other feature that it has is that it has AI auto tracking. The OBSBOT Tail Air employs a sophisticated AI algorithm to monitor individuals' movements and identify them even after they have gone missing. So basically, if you are in the camera, the OBSBOT Tail Air will be able to follow you and keep you in center. It offers an AI enhanced live streaming experience with innovative video feature. With the excellent AI auto tracking, the OBSBOT Tail Air can easily achieve a variety of different tracking methods to keep track of humans, pets, and even objects at the speed of 120 degrees per second speed. Now, under the human tracking mode, animal tracking mode, and object tracking mode, OBSBOT Tail Air will lock onto the tracking targets, helping the user to get rid of tricky angles and complex backgrounds for the shots. The trackable animals here would be like cats, dogs, horses. The third feature is the NDI support. NDI support is really useful to connect multiple cameras with low latency and higher quality. You can even use a remote control with this as well. The NDI connected by Ethernet needs to be purchased a separate accessory. Now, it also has multi-connection method. The Tail Air can easily set up an OBSBOT live system by multicam connection, allowing it to integrate with other devices or brands ecosystem and easily integrate into existing live streaming systems. Without compromising video quality or incredible AI features, this device brings more possibilities to your live stream workflow. There's also the AI director grids, which is really useful if you want to use just your phone. If you're portable and you have multiple cameras, the director grid will be able to be useful by just clicking and transitioning on multiple cameras. The OBSBOT AI algorithm, it automatically divides captured video into different grids in real time. By clicking on a grid, you can quickly and accurately switch live scenes and direct broadcasts, which is very useful for creating high quality live content. It also has an exclusive mobile application. This is a new app. It's not the old OBSBOT app. This is the OBSBOT Start app. It lets you connect to the OBSBOT Tail Air really easily. It produces a high-end video quality with multiple camera angles. This is a free app which features an AI director grid and adjustable parameters. You can customize image parameters before and during your live stream and apply them instantaneously. Creators can instantly live stream a cooking show, band performance, podcast interview, or event on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and more platforms with just a few taps on the intuitive OBSBOT Start app. Now, other features of the OBSBOT tail air as well is it has a smart remote control. You can use a smart remote control to control your tail air to get rid of the limitations of the monitoring range when controlling your tail air device independently and effectively. It also has an iconic low light shooting, which is really nice because it has an increased large pixel size and it has a 1.8 aperture, which allows for more light to be captured, resulting in exceptional low light video quality with reduced noise and finer image quality. It also has gesture control. Like usual, OBSBOT products all have their gesture controls. Instead of pressing your buttons, which is actually kind of interrupts the live stream, you can just use gesture controls. You can bring up your hand, the camera will follow you wherever you go, and cancel tracking mode. You can also use the zoom in and zoom out gestures by using the simple L-shaped gesture. You can also use the gesture for start and stop recording. Now this is a test for the OBSBOT tail air. This is the mic test. Let me know what you think down below, if it's any good or not. Pretty much you can use this for all live streaming, multi-cam style as well. Put it on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. You can live stream, portable. You don't even need a plug. It just turns on. And you don't need a computer or anything like that. You can connect it to a still computer if you want. That is optional through the mini HDMI slot there. But overall, you can use this by itself without interrupting your feed, without interrupting your game. This is totally separate, which is connected to your phone. Really awesome. Definitely recommend it. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new live streaming device. This is the OBSBOT Tail Air, super portable and compatible with most live streaming devices. Definitely would recommend for people who loves to live stream on a more portable way, and also has that 4K resolution that you're looking for. You don't need this big setup. All you need to use is just this little guy and bring it anywhere with you, set up wherever you want. Super easy, super compatible with anything. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like button as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.